Home. It's where life happens, where we work, learn, unwind, and feel safe. But hidden in plain sight are fire risks we rarely think about. Every month, more than 50 homes across the country experience a fire. In 2018, the NCRB reported that 12,748 people lost their lives to fire accidents in India, and over half of them were in residential buildings. The causes of these accidents are alarmingly common. Chargers left plugged in, overheated appliances, cooking oil on the stove, flammable fabrics, even lithium batteries in devices we use every day. With multiple classes of fire coexisting in the same area and almost inseparable, the modern home needs a solution that is all-purpose and adaptable. In such hazardous situations, losing precious seconds trying to find the right extinguisher can be life-threatening. Not only this, in modern high-rise spaces, escape routes are limited, which makes the situation more threatening. Then what are your choices? Wait for the fire brigade, which may be delayed. Or try to find an escape passage? The only real chance to fight a fire is when it's still small, before it spirals out of control. And that requires a fire extinguisher capable of tackling every type of fire that can occur in a contemporary home. Introducing Ceasefire MultiMax, the one extinguisher that works on all fire types in modern home, from electrical short circuits to cooking oil fires, from fabric and paper to lithium battery fires. Whether it starts in your kitchen, living room, bedroom, or study, MultiMax is ready. It tackles fires in fabric, paper, furniture, Class A fires, flammable liquids like petrol, diesel, Class B fires, combustible gases such as LPG, propane, Class C fires, fires in electrical panels or due to short circuits, ESF fires, cooking oil fires, Class F fires, and the fast-emerging threat of lithium battery fires in mobile and laptops. One MultiMax, a true multi-class firefighter. Ceasefire MultiMax is built for modern homes and for everyone in them. It's lightweight and easy to use. Just grab it, aim, and stop the fire in seconds. No second guessing, no waiting for help, just swift action. Whether you're working from home, caring for kids, or managing house chores, MultiMax puts fire control back in your hands. Its agent is free from harmful chemicals and is 100% biodegradable. Available in 500 ml, 1 and 2 liter models, there's a MultiMax for every home and every floor. Ceasefire MultiMax, the true multi-class fire extinguisher engineered for today's world, purpose-built to handle real-life fire scenarios.